Okay guys, today we are gonna do the St. Peter boat because it's a Venetian tradition doing this in the night between the 20th and 29th of June, because tomorrow is the celebration of St. Peter, and now I will show you what Venetian people do usually in this night. Is a tradition. Maybe someone is not doing this, but it's still a Venetian tradition. Now I'm not in Venetian region, but I have still with me my flag, and let's go to see if we are able to prepare this. Now is an egg white and a glass container, and I figure out that I have just this. It's not perfect because there are some texture on it, so because we need to see inside, but it's the only one that I have, so we will do with this. And we have to pour an egg white inside this container that it will be full of water, and tomorrow we will see what happens. Okay, I filled my glass container and my food is cooking now, and now I will try to match some way to put the egg white inside here. I need a container because I will not throw away the other part of the egg. Maybe I will use it. No, I don't know how, but I will use it. This is the result. You cannot see anything, but there is an egg white inside, and now we are gonna put this outside and wait for tomorrow. I will see a surprise. Okay, I will put here. Now maybe. No, yes. Now I will explain you what is gonna happen. What I hope that is gonna happen. As you can see, the container is here outside, but what is going to happen now? According to the tradition, St. Peter will arrive here and during the night, and he will give the shape, the form to the egg white. So tomorrow morning we should see some sails instead of the egg white inside the water. So we will just wait, and we will wait this tradition if it will happen, because sometimes it's not going to happen. We will see if St. Peter will arrive here, and according to the tradition, tomorrow morning we will check the sails. If they will be in a good shape, good form, we will be able to understand how it will be my year, if I will be lucky this year or not. So let's just check, and tomorrow morning we will see. And here we are, the day after. Now we're gonna check if in the water we can see a boat. The container. As you can see something. Yeah, there is some sails, as you can see. I think they are quite normal sails, so this year I think will be quite normal for me. Okay, I want to end my video here with the flag behind, and as you can see better now, there are some sails. And yes, I did this video in English because I know that there are a lot of people that are following me from all over the world that are interested in Venetian culture, and a lot of Venetian people that they don't speak Venetian. So I did this in English also if I did some mistakes, I know, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. So let me know here if you want to know more about the Venetian culture, or if you want to know more about Venetian language or any Venetian things. So see you if you want next time.